Hey, I'm Jim Silvernail, and I'm super excited to be back at Missouri Winter Fire School for Winter Fire School 2019. This year, we'll be bringing you a whole different delivery, a follow-up to Suburban Fire Tactics, known as the Traditional Truck Company. This is a collaboration between myself and my friend, Captain Arthur Ashley of Lexington, Kentucky. Arthur is the captain of Lexington, Kentucky Truck Number 1, and also known for his work with Truckee Talk. Our class is designed to help you implement solutions for those departments that don't have dedicated truck companies. If you don't have a truck company, how do you do truck work? That's the answer we're trying to provide you. How do you implement these actions and how important they are on the Fireground and how to prioritize them to make the biggest impact to the coordinated fire attack? The interesting part about this is that we're adding Arthur for his expertise as a truck company captain in order to provide you attitude and to show you how to correctly implement these actions, even with lower staffing. We're super excited about the new class, and we look forward to seeing you in Columbia in February.